We are Team Fantastic Four, and we would like to present PCHAM, your personal mini disinfection chamber. The coronavirus has been plaguing us ever since March of last year. Although the number of cases now has significantly lessened, we still cannot be complacent in our current situation. One thing the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention demands for the prevention of the spread is constant disinfection and sanitation. In homes, at the mall, anywhere essentially, sanitation must be done. Sanitation, to be exact, if done for many things, can be tiring for the person. It can use up time and energy. The problem led us to the formulation of Meacham, a mini disinfection chamber that disinfects things we buy, parcels, and medical apparatuses at an autoclave in a store. The purpose of Meacham is remarkably simple. Its job is to conveniently disinfect 99.9% of germs and household bacteria hands-free. It uses an environmentally friendly disinfectant and an ultraviolet C radiation to destroy bacteria. Recently bought or purchased packages can be placed in a device to be disinfected. Even objects commonly used in hospitals, nursing homes, office buildings, and hotels. Meacham assures that the viruses and bacteria won't be able to spread to keep the user safe. A total of 21 customers were given a survey regarding the sale of Meacham. The survey asks for the age range, current profession, annual salary, and commitment of the customers to buy the product, and their thoughts and ideas of the product. Almost every potential customer wanted to purchase Meacham, but they also expressed their thoughts on the bringing down of the price of the product. Most responses say that the product is necessary against the virus, creating an interest in the proposed product. But based on the responses of the potential customers, it can be inferred that the prices offered is already their limit, and were no longer willing to pay more for the product. The customers' responses were very positive, despite belonging to different age ranges, professions, and financial incomes. Meacham was still treated as a necessity for their families and workplaces. The total addressable market for couriers, express, and parcel services is around 85 million. Estimating only 5% of that market are fit for our target user profile of those who desire to sanitize the products they have delivered to them, we arrive at a serviceable addressable market of 4.25 million. Finally, we assume only 1% of our serviceable addressable market choose to purchase our product for its price. Thus, a serviceable obtainable market of 42,500 would give us a net profit of 67.15 million. Of course, we understand that we're not the only ones trying to capture this market. We observe our direct competitors to be those who manufacture and sell similar disinfection devices, and those who manufacture and sell disinfectants. Those who sell other sanitary products, or who provide cleaning and sanitation services, are seen as our indirect competitors. To stand out against the competition, Meacham aims to be unique in offering disinfection through the use of a UVC light and disinfectant, a non-laborious way of cleaning and securing the protection from the bacteria and viruses. Meacham is in the market not just being their competition, but also being their partner in promoting a clean and safe environment. The main working principle of the business idea is to create a device that helps solve the concerns of spreading virus. As discussed previously, we aim to deliver our value proposition to our target market. We do this through our channels. Customer relationships and value propositions ensure that the idea is reliable and attractive. By keeping in touch with our customers through our channels, we will ensure that they enjoy the experience with us, from selecting the product, purchasing it, and maintaining it. We obtain our revenue from the purchases of our customers and the requests for services and maintenance. Our costs include the materials and subcontracts, labor for product and services, management, marketing and sales, facilities, equipment, and office costs. By adding the cost to make the product and the cost to sell it, the total cost of the product comes up to 3,160 pesos. We then set our price to be 50% more than the cost to allow us to achieve a profit of 1,580 pesos. Our organizational structure corresponds with most of our roles in the group at the moment. Joseph Victor M. Campos works as the leader who makes the overall choices and gives us the options that we can choose from. John Lloyd C. Abanto worked with the financial part of our project. January C. Bamigiano worked with the surveying and marketing aspect of this project, as well as customer prospects. Greg Ariel or Humawan handled the possible competitors that the product may meet. And Shanesha C. Cuevas worked with those that are related to the team. Thank you for hearing us out. Once again, we are Team Fantastic Four, bringing Michang, your personal mini disinfection chamber.